Today's video is going to be using gold items. Got a 10K gold ring, $5 gold piece, and a $1 gold piece, using the same 2x10 that I had earlier with a slot in it, where I could take and just lay the item in it, and it keeps it completely vertical up and down. So what I want to do to start off with, I'm going to show you my settings. I want you to listen to and see what the ID is of each target. Now, to start with, there's been several inquiries asking that I would do this program, this particular test, using part 2 instead of part 1, because part 2 weighs more heavily on the higher frequencies as it analyzes the targets in the ground. So I'm going to put down the ring to start with. I want you to hear it. See the ID 10. I'm going to do the $5 gold piece, or the $1 gold piece. Very small, a little bit smaller than a dime. Now I'm going to put down the $5 gold piece. You can see how it IDs. A little higher tone, 18, 19. Now, to start with, I'm going to go ahead and use this $5 gold piece. I'm going to put it in the slot, like so. Once you hear what it sounds like, go over it. This is a typical, a classic coin on edge, or anything, ring, coin, object on edge. The machine will beep as it approaches it and leaves it. Now, if I rotate around, this is what has got so many people upset. And I really don't see the problem, and the reason being, I want to show you and give you a good example. If you move that coil slightly off center. Now here I'm 2 inches from center. I go back towards center, go away from it. If you're overlapping your coil when you're sweeping, that's a recommended amount. If you just overlap 1/3, there is no way that you would miss this particular target. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in the $1 gold coin, straight up and down. Hear what it does. I'm going to go over it the classical way. Here, I'm 6 inches above the target. I'm going to rotate around just a little bit. Now hear that? I've got it centered in that coil, but I'm going to move back just a little bit. I'm going to move forward. Now finally, I'm going to put the gold ring in. A lot of people, I'll probably get ridiculed over this video, but that's fine. It just shows the facts how they are. I'm going to go through it just typically from side to side. Still, that's the ID it gave. I'm going to rotate a little bit. That's where people are getting so much problem, but I'm going to come back just slightly. I want to end by stating, if you overlap your sweep on this coil according to the manual, and about every single manual that I could find and read recommends overlapping at least 1/3, you would never have an issue with this machine, ever. This is the Equinox 800, and these are gold coins and gold ring on edge.